Hello boys and girls, today we're going to be talking some more about adjectives. We talked about those last week. An adjective is a word that describes another word. It describes nouns. So it tells you all about people, places, and things. It might tell you their color. That's what we talked about last week. It might tell you their size, their shape. It's going to tell you something about them so you understand more about that thing. Today we're going to talk about adjectives that are numbers. Numbers can describe things. They can tell you how many of something there are or how many things something has. Maybe legs or hands or how many wheels or all different kinds of things. So adjectives can also be number words. So we're going to do some practice with some number adjectives today to describe these pictures on our paper. You need to get this paper out of your packet and get your name on the top. We've actually been learning some of these number words in our last few math chapters. So let's see. Does anybody know what this number word is? 7. So one of our words we're going to be using is 7. How about this one? 2, and what's this one? 5. So we're going to use those 3 number words, those 3 number adjectives to describe some things on this page. We're going to finish this sentence by choosing the right number word to describe something in the picture. Okay? So let's look at number 1. What do we have here? We have a bicycle, and the sentence says the bike has blank wheels. Which one of those number words would we use to tell how many wheels the bike has, to describe the number of wheels? Are there 7 wheels, 2, or 5? I see 2 wheels, so we're going to circle the number word 2, and we're going to copy it on this line, T, W, O, and we can mark it out that we've used it. The bike has 2 wheels. Let's look at number 2. We've got some ducks here. The sentence says the blank ducks swim. How many ducks are there? What number word would describe the number of ducks? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to use the number word 5 to describe these ducks. Which number up here is 5? What's it going to start with? 5 is going to start with an F. Let's circle it. And we're going to copy it to finish sentence number 2. F-I-V-E. The 5 ducks swim. Alright, we're going to mark that one out. We've used it. The only one we have left is 7, so we're going to make sure it matches this last picture. Number 3 says there are blank hats. Let's count these hats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It does match. So we're going to copy that last number word. S-E-V-E-N. There are 7 hats. Alright, we're going to write one more sentence together down here using a number word. We're going to write, I have 1 tree. Okay, we're going to write about our Christmas tree. You might have more than one, but for this we're just going to write, I have 1 tree. Say that with me. I have 1 tree. Let's count those words. I have 1 tree. How many words is that? 4. What was our first word? I. We're going to make an uppercase I to start our sentence. And we're going to put a finger space. What was our next word? I have. What does have start with? H-A-V-E. All lowercase. I have 1. The number word 1 is spelled O-N-E. I have 1 tree. What do you hear at the beginning of tree? I hear a T. Tr. What do you hear next? R. What do you hear at the end? E. I hear a long E sound. It's actually going to be 2 E's. And then what are we going to put at the end of our sentence? A period. Good job. Let's read it together. I have one tree. So we used another number word to describe how many trees we had. We used it as an adjective to tell us more about the word tree, which is a noun. It is a thing. All right, we'll talk some more about this later.